My betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you see this very video. This is na Favors blog, and we bring you Open Heavens Devotional in Pidgin English for Friday, will be the 4th day of October 2024. Our topic for today now, hard prayers. Hard prayers. Our Bible reading they come from 2 Kings chapter 20, from verse 1 go reach 11. Make we consider them together. For that time, King Hezekiah come dey sick and he nearly die. Amos pikin prophet Isaiah go see am come say, God to make you arrange everything as them suppose dey, because you no go well again. Make you ready to die. So Hezekiah turn face wall, come pray say, my oga God, make you remember say I don serve you with all my mind, and I dey always do everything wey you want make I do. Then he start to dey cry well. Isaiah waka leave the king, but before he pass the courtyard center for the palace, God come tell am, make you go back go meet Hezekiah wey dey rule my people. Come tell am say, me God wey be your grandpapa David God don hear your prayer and see as you dey cry. I go heal you, and after 3 days you go back to the temple. I go let you live for another 15 years. I go save you and this town, Jerusalem, from Assyria king hand, because of my honor and the promise when I dey make with my servant David. I go defend this town. Then Isaiah say, make una squeeze some fig for me. So they do as he ordered them, and he put her for the king's soul, make his body for well. King Hezekiah tell Isaiah, wetin I go take know say God go heal me, so that I go in temple by this time next tomorrow. Isaiah answer, this na the sign from God to show say he go do wetin he talk. You go want make the shadow for wall go front 10 times, abi you go want make it go back 10 times. Hezekiah answer, e dey easy for the shadow to go front, but e no dey easy to go back 10 times. So prophet Isaiah pray to God, and God make the shadow go back 10 times from Ahaz's wall. Our memory verse from today now from Isaiah chapter 45 verse 11. I go read, and you sef you go follow me read together. The oga wey be Israel people God wey dey holy, the person wey dey make our future better don say, you no go get right to question me about my children or tell me wetin I go do. When we enter today's video, abeg don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. For the past 3 days now, I dey discuss very easy prayers and easy prayers. Today, I wan talk about hard prayers. You go pray hard prayer when you ask God to change the natural order of things and to scatter the laid down laws wey dey govern this world. For example, when Joshua say make the sun not set for inside Joshua chapter 10 for verse 12 to 14, he pray for something wey not dey normal, e not supposed to be according to nature. Also, for our Bible text of today, King Hezekiah want make the sun go back as a sign say God don heal am. That one na hard prayer, but God still do am. E no get wetin dey too difficult for God to do for your life. If he go fit break the law of nature just to answer these hard prayers, just because person tell am say make he do am. Some years ago, one woman wey get belle come meet me say she don already get daughters, but her in-laws dey threaten say dem go drive her comot for her husband house if she no born boy with the current belle wey she get. I come tell her say according to science, pikin gender na within 72 hours wey dem take conceive and they decide the gender. She come reply say no be me wan change the gender. All she want for me to do na to agree with her for prayers. I come agree, and she give birth to boy. You fit talk say like say the pikin na boy all along. However, as I dey share this testimony one day when I dey preach, another woman come meet me after the service. She dey 8 months pregnant, and she don do scan wey show say the pikin wey dey her belle na boy. However, na girl she want, because she say she wan follow the pikin share her dress. Pikin go dey follow her dey wear the same cloth. I come tell her say you know very well say this pikin don form, and she come reply me say no be me wan do the miracle, make me just agree with her for prayer. Na so me sef agree with her, before you know, she born girl. Nothing dey too hard for God to do. Jeremiah chapter 32 verse 27. Na him make the law of nation, and if he suspend them at any time, if he reverse the irreversible just because say you ask him to do that one for you. During one of our programs, e get one man wey say wan see the miracles wey dey happen for the altar, and he come whisper to God say he go like to grow tall, and instantly he grow, he trouser come short on the spot, and everybody see am the way the thing take happen. Indeed, nothing dey too hard for God to do. Our key point for today be say nothing dey impossible with God. Nothing dey impossible with God. Now here we take come to the end of today's video. Don't forget, the topic we will consider na hard prayers. Hard prayers. And from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, now we take the message. The Open Heavens Daily Devotional, and a book where we say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, right. And on top of your Ogbonge channel, Favors blog, now you take receive this wonderful message. We want to thank all our subscribers. I beg, if you never subscribe, do well to help us like this video, share the video, drop your comment, and hit the subscribe button. Also, touch notification bell so that anytime when we drop new videos, you could be one of the first persons to know. We want to thank God for the successful completion of the International Youth Convention 2024 of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. Till we meet our next video again, my correct person, make it better for you.